यार उसे कहना क्या, वो आपने स्टैंड बाय क्यों कर दिया उसको 805 को कह दीजिए you decide where you want to go. ठीक है 805 it is up to you. You have to decide what have you to do to see that for your decision.
This high drama played out at an altitude of 10,000 feet exactly 10 years ago. Some considered it a conspiracy, others called it a gamble. In this war of nerves, everyone was fully involved, on the ground and in the plane. The confrontation between top military and civilian leaders was finally reaching its climax. Who won and who lost is known to everyone. Still, several details remain vague. What happened on October 12, 1999 had its roots in the preceding months. It was a clash of two titans in which one was bound to lose. In retrospect, many people claim that both General Musharraf and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif had planned their course of action at least 1 month in advance. If Nawaz Sharif was asked by his father to get rid of General Musharraf in August 99, General Musharraf and his loyal commanders were prepared to frustrate any such move.
I don't think it was spontaneous. I think it was pre-planned, that this was one of the contingencies on which they were already working. And they must have planned this before, because the subsequent actions indicate that this was not a spontaneous one.
But was the army top brass also thinking in political terms? And if yes, what were the factors that prompted it to do so?
You see, one thing is clear, that General Musharraf and his senior commanders had taken this decision that they will not take a second sacking order from the Prime Minister. Earlier, as we all know, General Jahangir Karamat had been sacked by the then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. So the decision was there that if an attempt is made to remove General Musharraf, the army will move in and will seize power in the country.
General Karamat was forced to resign by Nawaz Sharif after the former army chief criticized the country's top leadership and demanded setting up of the National Security Council. It is widely believed that the army could not digest his sacking.
The army was not very happy when General Jahangir Karamat was removed. So again, when this thing took place, obviously there was no reaction from the army. This was done by 2-3 people, General Aziz, General Mahmood, who were instrumental in this. The others were not consulted.
But Nawaz Sharif did not stop here. The removal of General Karamat was followed by General Pervez Musharraf's out-of-turn promotion and appointment as army chief.
Nawaz Sharif made the same mistake what Zulfikar Ali Bhutto had committed in 1976, ignoring merit in appointing an army chief. Nawaz favored General Musharraf, thinking he was a non-Punjabi and non-Pathan, and hence could not get sufficient support in the army if he ever chose to act against him. But General Musharraf proved him wrong.
Nawaz Sharif was not the only one who wanted General Musharraf to occupy the top military slot.
It was Chaudhry Nisar Ali Khan and Sayyid Mehdi, a bureaucrat, and a third person whose name I will not like to take because he is already died. Khuda unko jannat naseeb kare, and he is a very respectable man, so I will not name him. These three peoples prevailed upon Nawaz Sharif to make selection of Pervez Musharraf as the next chief.
But Nawaz Sharif's trust in General Musharraf proved to be short-lived. Differences emerged between the two on multiple issues. Meanwhile, the Kargil crisis brought the situation to a head, leading to the October 12th military coup.
So I don't think there was much of a problem there. But Kargil was the starting point.
I think there was a lot of mistrust between the two. But I would say that Mr. Nawaz Sharif has done in a very wrong way.
General Musharraf has always maintained that he had taken the Prime Minister into confidence before launching the Kargil operation. But Nawaz Sharif has always disputed this claim.
It had nothing to do with Kargil. Kargil was not even mentioned there. But he had the audacity of saying that these are the photographs and this is the briefing. Total lies and falsehood.
The temperature was rising on both sides, but an effort was made to bring it down. The Sharifs invited General Musharraf and his wife to their sprawling Raymond residence.
I was also there in that meeting, and my grandfather who was present there, my uncle, my father, and the kind of words my grandfather uttered in that meeting were that we are here for the national interest. National interest should be supreme. And today I had invited you just to tell you that, we are here to serve Pakistan, and, whatever differences, whatever misconceptions you all had, let's call bygones be bygones and let's make a new start. Sure. And they embraced each other, and we had a nice dinner, and then he left.
It was against this political backdrop that General Musharraf left for Sri Lanka, apparently without realizing that he would be returning to a different Pakistan.